We're going to walk you through how to download songs or music using Google Chrome on your phone. If this helps you out, make sure to subscribe and drop a like on the video. You can do this on both Android and iPhone. So first, go ahead and open it up. Next, what you want to do is head over to a website called Pixabay. There are plenty of other sites you can use to get music, but I prefer Pixabay since everything on it is royalty-free. Just type it in. Again, feel free to use any other site you like. Once you're on Pixabay, all you need to do is scroll down, then swipe across this section and choose Music. Scroll across until you see Music and select it. From here, scroll down and you can preview any track by tapping the play/pause button on the left. If you want to download a track, simply hit the download button on the right side. It will say Downloading File, and just like that, it's saved. To find it, you can tap Open, and it will take you directly to the file, where you can listen to it in Google Chrome. Or you can exit Chrome and locate it through your file manager. So I'm going to open my Files app. Tap on Downloads, and here it is right at the top. I can tap on it and open it up from here.